In our last lesson, we built our hosting store like this. In this lesson, we're going to set up hosting packages and pricing like this. That way, users will have options to choose from when ordering web hosting and domain name from your website. So if you're excited, let's get started. Please head over to resellers panel and log into your master control area. So click on login. Enter your login details and click on login. And you are brought to your master control panel. To get your hosting services, click on or hover on my office, and you can click on all office. Under all office, you see all your hosting services listed, including shared hosting, semi-dedicated hosting, dedicated hosting, VPS hosting, and a lot. What I want you to do now is click on shared hosting offer. Now, most of your users are going to be ordering shared hosting, so we're going to focus our energy on the shared hosting. Click on the shared hosting offers. And these are your hosting packages, predefined hosting packages. Now, to edit a package or a hosting plan, just click on it. And you can rename it by clicking on this. Give it a new name and then click on rename. So go ahead and give these packages your own names. All right. So let's look at the first package and the basic plan, which is this one. That's the bronze, and that's the starter. We have our second plan, which is silver. Third, we have our gold, and we have our platinum. Domain manager is 0. Okay, leave it. Okay, just leave it as 0. Now, let me explain the concept. Please, you see the bronze? That's the starter plan. Click on it. This plan comes with its features. So customers or users on this plan can host one website with subdomains unlimited, IPs 0, SSH 0, databases 5. So these are the what? They are packages. Now, you don't have control over this because that is defined by your mother provider. Okay, now I can click on sales statistics and then see the general statistics of this plan. You can set prices, but we're going to use a bulk price updater to update our prices. You can manage upgrades for this plan. You can edit it and you can delete it, but this feature is not available to you. Okay, all right, so just click here to go back. Okay, take note, this is a wholesale price, and everything is calculated in the yearly period. So this is your cost. Your users will be paying this. But wait, we have not yet marked up our prices. Okay, so to add our profit to it and then send it to our users. Without wasting time, click on shared hosting prices. Now, this displays your hosting packages, your retail price per year. So that means on your site, your users are going to see this when making purchase. So we can increase this, and then this is going to be our wholesale price. This is going to be our cost, the cost to us. Okay, but we are not going to pay this money because our customers are going to handle that. Now, this is your profit margins. Make sure this net profit is green. On top, you can raise your profit by a percentage, but this feature I don't like it because you're not going to make enough profit from it. The one I like to use is this. So if you want to make maybe $20 profit on every sale, just put $20 like this, and then take notice of the net profit and click on it, and all of them will be increased by $20. Okay, so that means you'll be earning this per year from a single client. Okay, so the sky is the limit. If you want to make your hosting service expensive, you can also increase it in that order. If you want, you can increase it individually. So maybe the 25, you can put 30 here, 30, and then click on set price, and then the package will now have a higher price. Okay, so you can increase the price of your packages individually or in bulk. That's the main point of this part of the video. These are upgrades. Those who run out of resources can upgrade something like this, or those who want extra services, something like dedicated IPs. Those things can be found here, even disk storage, but everything here is in monthly basics. Okay, so this one means they're going to be paying $1 every month to have extra 2 domain names. So you can increase your profit margins. Right now you're not making profit from this, so, and you're not, so there's no cost to you. So make sure you have profit margin there so that you will be making $1 per month. Okay, you can also increase it. You can also increase it from here like this, and then go down, and then click on set prices like this. Now some options will not change because please keep in mind that the retail price, which is this one, must match or be lower than the max price. Okay, so it must match or be lower than the max price. So this one like this, you can't have it more than the max price, which is this one. Okay, so it must match or lower than max price. So to handle that problem, make sure your max price is exactly the same as your retail. So I'll put there 125. 125. And here too, I'm going to put there max, the same 125. So 125. Then here I'm going to put 1 like this. Okay, so now let's try it again, not forgetting of these red boxes. So the max is here, and I'll put 0.50 here 1.00 and then here 0. What 0.80 because some of these things are not expensive and also it is a monthly billing cycle. Good. So now let's click on set price again. Let's wait. And already you can see that you're in profit. All of them are in profit now. But in monthly period. Okay. Right. So we are done setting our shared hosting plan. Those of you who want to set up other hosting plans, do the same thing. Just go to semi-dedicated price. So you click on it. And for now, reseller panel has 2 plans here. You don't have control over that. Your profit margin is going to be this every month. That's $5 every month. So this is not bad. Okay, but if you want to make $10 every month, then just increase this by what 5 because it's going to add up today your other profits. So when you click on it, it's going to add up. That's $10, and then your retail price will also increase, just like this. Okay. You can also rename them by going to dedicated office and then just click on it, the plan you want to rename, and here you can click on rename and then rename it, just like we did for the others. And then we have semi-dedicated promotions. And right now there are no promotions available. Okay, so these things are controlled by your mother reseller. Okay, do the same thing for the VPS, and most of these services are not available. So let's go to VPS and KVM. And just as we did before, increase your profit by percentage or by amount, and everything here is in what monthly period. So this profit is going to be a monthly. I'll come here and increase it by percentage, amount. So I'll put 2 there and click on set. Okay, and again we have another problem here, and that is your retail price must match. So retail must match this. Okay, your max. So having $3 profit plus $5 wholesale, your customers are going to be paying higher than that, higher. So they advise you follow their rules. So to do so, make sure everything is the same as this. So put here 50. Let's come here and put 50, and then here too. Make sure you put the 30. this, and you are set. You can click on set again, but we have not removed the 2 on top. Okay, make sure you remove that. Okay. So scroll down again. And then we are going to work on this. So put 2 again, and we'll see the outcome. So $2 per month, $2 per month here was successful without problems. Okay. And then you can work on the upgrades. In here, if they want to buy additional IPs, their cost will be, so retail, that will be $3 every month to have an additional IPs. Okay, I want to put 1 there and see whether I can make $1 profit from each. So set price, so $1 per month. Let's try 2 and see if it will work. So let's put another one again, because that one will be 2, because already we are in. It's going to add up to this profit. So let's click on set again, and we are not allowed to do that. Some of the plans are not allowed, so make sure here is 5. So that means you're going to have 1 here, because 1 plus 4 should be equals to what? 5. And then 10 plus 2 12, and then our max, that's 17, so 15 plus 2, and that's it. So we're done setting up those prices. And then promotions, there's no promotion there at the moment, so go back there, and we are done with these ones. We're done with all these. Okay, we have dedicated offers, so over on offers and then go to dedicated offers. So click on the dedicated prices, and let's see our offers, dedicated offers. And some of the offers are out of stock at the moment. Okay, but there's no harm in setting the prices, so let's set the prices. So we'll go to dedicated prices. Now these are your prices, and everything here is calculated in a what? Monthly period. So that means you'll be making $5 per month from this plan. $5 per month, $10 per month, 5, 10, 15, sorry, 5. Now if you're setting up your markups or you're increasing your price, make sure you are within this range. Okay, within this range. This one too, you're within this range, so you can increase it by, I'll put 1%, sorry, $1 increase, and then now you'll be making $6 per month as profit from each plan, from this plan, see that. And then we have upgrades, so dedicated upgrades, go there, and these are the upgrades. Everything too is in monthly period. Me, I'm going to leave them as they are, okay, because already we are in profit, so just leave them. But if you want, you can set up your prices, add up your prices. Okay, so that's it. We have set up our hosting packages and prices. In our next lesson, we're going to set up domain names and their prices as well. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next lesson where we set up domain names and their prices.